All right, in this lesson, I'm going to show you the two easiest ways to get your Z360 forms in front of customers. We'll cover how to share a direct link and then how to embed the form right onto your website. And we'll also cover this for both Z360 forms and pipeline forms. Before we start, a quick distinction. Z360 has two types of forms, and they live in different places. The Z360 forms is under Account Settings, which captures basic contact information. Submissions here create a contact and a conversation in your inbox. And the pipeline forms are inside Pipelines option under Product Settings, which capture lead information with custom fields. Submissions here create a lead directly in a specific pipeline. Both support direct link and embed code. So let's go through each. First, go to Settings, Account Settings, and then Forms. Scroll down to the Distribution section. The first option is Direct Link. This is a shareable URL that opens your form as a standalone page in the browser. Click the copy icon to grab it. Share this link anywhere. Anyone who opens the link can fill out the form and submit. No login required. When they submit, a contact is created in Z360 tagged Inbound Form, and a conversation starts in your inbox. Below the direct link, you'll see the embed code. This is an iframe snippet that places the form directly on your website. Copy it and paste it into your website's HTML wherever you want the form to appear. You can adjust the width and height in the code to fit your page layout. Setting width to 100% makes the form responsive across screen sizes. The default max width is 640 pixels. Both the direct link and embed code are live. Any changes you make to the form configuration in Z360 are reflected immediately. You don't need to recopy or repaste anything. Now let's do the same for pipeline forms. Again, go to Settings, then Product Settings, and Pipelines. You'll see your pipelines listed here. Click the three-dot menu on the pipeline you want and select Generate Form Links. A modal opens, and at the top, you can set defaults for all submissions coming through this form: default assignee, default status, and default source. These apply automatically to every lead created through this link. The modal has three tabs. Click Direct Link and copy the URL. Same concept as the Z360 form link, but submissions here create a lead in this specific pipeline instead of just a contact. Click Embed Code and copy the iframe snippet. Paste it on your website, and leads will submit directly into your pipeline without leaving your site. The embed code works on any website. Here's a quick rundown for the most common platforms. On WordPress, add a custom HTML block in the editor and paste the code. On Squarespace, add a code block. On Wix, add an embed a site element. On Webflow, add an embed component. On any plain HTML site, paste the code directly into your page source where you want the form to appear. Same iframe, same process. Just find your platform's HTML or code block and paste. Always test before going live. Open your direct link in a browser, fill in the form with real test data. Use your own name, email, and phone number, and submit. Switch to Z360 and verify. For Z360 forms, check contacts for a new entry tagged Inbound Form. For pipeline forms, check your leads page and confirm the test lead appeared in the correct pipeline at the right stage. That's direct link and embed code for both Z360 forms and pipeline forms. Both are live and update instantly. Next up, we'll connect Z360 forms directly with WordPress using the native plugin approach.